2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
What would that look like? I'm ready for some beers and the beach. This lady that we met, she was like, so y'all are newbies, right? And I was like, how could you guess?
We're about 8 foot short. So it's a pretty long one back to the sewer, but heck, that's the only problem. We'll take it. What's going on, everybody? So we are in our last day and a half here on the beautiful island in Galveston, Texas, and we are heading out tomorrow. But first, we've got a few things to do to get ready for that and our travel day and all that good stuff that goes with that. One of the things is changing out all of our weather stripping around our slides. You can see that it's all ripped, and there's one up there just laying on top. It's got this, I don't know, sticky, I don't know how it got there, but that every time the slide went in, it would pull this with it. We're gonna replace all those weather strips with the new, and we got these on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. They're actually pretty pricey, and I had to get 4 of them because they come in 35-foot strips. I think I'll use about 3.5. Now we're gonna take all those down, and I'll show you guys putting them up. It's fairly easy, and then we'll kind of move on to all the other fun stuff for travel days. So a few things you might need: Dicor, a small little razor blade of some sort, because when you take that off, it has that Dicor on the outside, and you just want to scrape that off as good as you can. A caulking gun, a drill, and a replacement weather stripping, as well as a ladder. And I am replacing this with the black because, well, I think it looks better and I couldn't find the gray.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow, impressive. What are y'all doing?
We're sailing.
You're sailing?
Dad, you want to buy stuff? It's not open yet.
Okay, it's not open. Store's not
But
open.
you could still buy something if you give me money.
If I give you money. So you could see that it's got 2 screws on each one going up and down the sides, and then it just pulls off, and then you take a little razor or something and clean off the rest of that sealant that they put on there, and then we'll take the Dicor and we'll just run a bead straight up it and smooth it out, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that on all the slides, and it takes a little bit to get that off, so it is kind of some tedious work, but it'll look better and it'll work. Man, this is an easy job.
What would that look like?
Yeah. So we're washing our rig for the first time by ourselves.
Oh, this is not our first time.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
When did we do it before?
In Hog Valley, I think, or?
We typically pay to do this. My turn. Hey, our helpers are outside. Okay, that's funny.
I'm ready for some beers and the beach. Yeah, our next view, we back up to the bay, I think.
Yep.
In Baytown.
Yeah, that'll be
So
cool.
we got to get our windows clean so we can see Autumn real good.
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't washed her in a while.
according to you, we've never done it.
I don't think we've ever done it by hand.
Yes, we have.
I want to spray.
2.5 years. This is probably our 3rd time.
Oh, spray right here.
Finish this window. And
Check
then
out the new logo in the back. Look at that.
hey guys, who can say living light, loving life?
Live in life, love in life.
Hashtag living light.
Live in life, love in life.
Not quite, but
Close, sis. Do down below where you can't reach, and I'll do it high.
all right, she looks good.
It's brighter than I thought, and I did not bring my
Yeah.
sunglasses. So it is beautiful today here on the island. This is our last day before we head into more inland. So we have been, doing all kinds of stuff around the house. We cleaned the rig, we cleaned the car. What else
Yeah.
did we do?
Pick
Laundry's been going all day.
Fix
So
the
it's like
sides.
first work, now it's play.
Yeah.
So we are headed to the beach
The
with
place
the
we're
kids.
staying at is like the beach is literally just right
So
here.
literally we're walking through right now, and then I will flip you around. Behind those houses right there is the ocean. So, and they have this little path inside this RV park, so we don't have to go really on the main road. We just have to cross it, and that's it. And that's beach public access.
Yep.
So they make it really convenient and safe. God, I'm like out of breath. It's been a long day. I'm ready to have a cerveza
Yes,
and chill and watch the kids play.
or C, I guess.
See? Push. Oh. Oh, buddy. Thank you. Can I have a kiss? Give me kisses.
Where's
Mwah.
mine?
I love you. Oh my god. Every time, you guys, every time he passes a flower, he has to pick it and give it to me. How sweet is that? Oh, buddy, I hope that never changes. Oh, is she picking you one now?
Yeah.
Oh, that.
Fantastic. Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at that.
So as you can see, that was the little path from, there's the RV park. Now all we have to do is cross this street right here, and then there is the public access right there. There's the ocean.
Buddy, you're steering it right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah. All right, so it's the morning of travel day, right?
Yep.
So we are heading out today. We're heading out to Baytown, actually. It's only about an hour north of here.
Yeah.
So we don't have too
Not
far.
a far drive, but don't underestimate those short drives because
Yeah, that's true.
we've learned to never say easy peasy or, oh, this will be a cool, quick trip.
Still take your time, do your
Because,
stuff
well,
right.
and you never know what's going to happen in the RV life. So,
Yeah, in 2.5 years, we started off with the checklist when we left, and we don't do that
Oh my
anymore.
gosh.
And sometimes
I
we
legit
should. do
had,
that.
I legit had like a, what are those called? Clipboard.
Yeah.
With like our checklist, and one time, it was like one of our first times, this lady that we met, she was like, so y'all are newbies, right? And I was like, how could you guess? So how do you guys, I'm curious to know if you've been doing this for a while, or if you haven't, do you do a checklist? Because
Yeah, sometimes we don't
we
now.
now don't
but-
do a checklist, but it's kind of mental now.
Yeah, but every now and then something happens, and you're like, well, crap, I should have known that.
yeah.
I should have done that. But
Yeah.
it happens. It's
But-
part of the RV. Oh, I did want to show them.
Oh, what?
Look at our new beam. Look at that. So that is new. We just finished that.
We thought this was going to be an easy upgrade. It was not.
Yeah. it was
We
not.
can explain more on that later. But anyways, babe, I better get busy.
Okay, well, we got a duck, and really duck under these things because I've hit my head and it doesn't feel good. So on our typical travel days, Usually we go a lot farther than what we're going today. We're only going about an hour north of where we're at on Galveston Island. I've got to actually fly out of Houston to go to Atlanta for a couple days for work, and then we're gonna go do the rodeo, the Houston Rodeo, which is we're excited about. Tara's got a little nephew that's showing his heifer. So we've never done that, so that'll be pretty cool, I think. Yeah, in our typical travel days, you know, we're able to, today we're slow playing it. Usually checkouts at campgrounds are around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. State parks are a little different. But we have this site for a few more days because we did a monthly stay, and so we're able to just kind of slow play it and go slow, which is nice. If you're in a hurry or you got a longer travel day, we got to leave a little earlier. What you got there? Where'd you get that from?
Brooke.
Brooke?
Uh-huh.
Your little friend you met here? Did you tell her bye?
Yes.
Are you ready to go on to the next place?
Yes.
Hey, did you know that we're about to hit our 100th campground?
Okay.
Can you believe you stayed in over 100 places almost?
Oh, yes.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Have you liked this place?
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
Sweet. What about you, dude? Another thing about travel days that make it a little tougher is the kids, obviously. As you put stuff up, they get stuff out, and it's just kind of how it works, but it's all good. So while Tara's inside kind of picking up the inside, I usually do the outside, so I got a bunch of toys to pick up. All the toys, I got the bikes and all that good stuff. So I don't know what you guys use for your tire pressure and stuff like that, but this bad boy, this little rigid compact air compressor is awesome. Our tires go to 110 PSI cold, and this thing will do it like it's nothing. So I highly suggest one of these instead of the big air compressors. Very, very convenient. We're all packed up and ready to roll. This is what it looks like. We do have to take the TV down and put it underneath the bed. I think this is already closed up, yeah. But that's it. Now we hitch up and we get out of here.
Ninja kick.
We are on the road. We got out of there pretty easy. Pretty tight roads in that. That's Jamaica Beach RV Resort on the island in Galveston. It's a little tight. So if you're, you know, new to pulling a big rig or something like that, you know, just go slow. You'll be fine. But yeah, we're on the road. Tara's got both kids. Usually we split the kids up. Rudy comes with me and I take one of the dogs just because it makes travel a lot easier. But since we're only going on an hour and 9 minutes, I've got both dogs and she's got both kids, and we'll get there soon. awfully windy right here. Beautiful spot for a couple weeks, so we're gonna unhitch. And yeah, just all right. Well, all our slides work too, and our new weather stripping worked, so that's great. I only carry 20-foot sewer hose, so we got to get another 10-foot because we're about 8 foot short. So it's a pretty long one back to the sewer, but heck, that's the only problem. We'll take it.